Tomato curry for chapati. We just need only 30 minutes to make this simple and delicious recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, dry roast 5 pieces of cashew nuts, half teaspoon peppercorns, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 medium-sized cinnamon stick, 2 cloves. Mix it well. Roast for 1 minute on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Cool down and transfer it into a grinder. Add 3 tablespoon coconut pieces and half cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. Now, in a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add 2 chopped onion, 1 chopped green chili, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 4 chopped tomato, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Now add the previously prepared coconut paste to it. Mix it well. Also add 1 cup of water. Stir it well. Boil for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Switch off the flame. Our tomato curry for chapati and roti is ready. We just need only 30 minutes to make this simple and delicious recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.